Orlando, Florida at the Mobile Tech Expo. We're inside the Dent Olympics section. What they do here is they have different vehicles with different size dents, deepnesses, and things like that. And then different techs from all over the world come, enter, and see who's the best. So it'll be interesting. We'll see different methods and tools they use, and we'll take you through it, maybe get some interviews with some people, and just watch how they approach the dent and go from there. So should be interesting. Excited to see it. So let's get going. What's your name?
Chad.
Chad?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Michigan.
Okay. You have your own company?
Yeah, Dent Knockers.
Okay.
Yep.
Which one you got working on here?
Right here, I haven't started yet. But
Okay. That's a bad one, right? It's gonna be fun.
I've seen
Yeah. Are you allowed to use door jammers or no?
You can use door jammers, but you have to go through the top seam.
Okay. And what's some of the other rules? So no wet sanding.
No wet
Nope.
sanding. You can polish, hand polish.
Oh, you can polish.
You can hand polish. No wet sanding though. No sanding in general. You can door jam it. Have to go through the top. I mean, that's
45
really it.
minutes?
45 minutes. No heat.
Okay. So you can see how it looked like he had the dent out pretty good, but then he started tapping it, dropping it back down, and you can almost see the dent. It almost looked bigger than when he started. So again, we talked about that before. Sometimes when the metal is so stretched like that, you have extra metal. So what happens is you work the dent up, and then it's sticking up, and then you touch it, and it pops back down. So what you have to do is kind of shrink that metal, move it all around, blend it out, so the dent can lay flat again and match up with the rest of the panel. So again, these dents are really sharp. It's taking a lot of work. You can see it. They're kind of designed not to come out perfect where they can't glass them, but that's the whole point, is to test their skills and see who could do the best with the tools they got, and again, not being able to wet sand and, you know, use heat, things like that. So it's interesting. It's neat seeing different methods, different tools they're using and stuff like that. So we'll keep going. Let's check it out. sharp that dent is, and you see it's interesting how he's doing it. So he puts the rod down the window, he's pushing it up, and then he's tapping it while he's pushing. That way it's kind of, I talked about that before in other videos, how like the metal actually stretches, so you'll have extra metal and there's nowhere for it to go. So what he's doing is kind of blending that out, like, you know, making that metal move around so it lays flat. And then because sometimes what happens is you get that tin can effect. So you work the dent out and it'll either go up or down, up or down, up or down. So he's kind of blending all that metal away, and then that way it's like flattening it out. So it's neat how he's doing that. It's interesting. So this is Tim. He follows me on YouTube there. He works near me too. Does he work near us too? Yeah?
Yeah, he works on North Wales.
North Wales. Okay. What's your company called?
National. I work for National.
National? Minutes. No heat.
No hit.
No heat.
No wet sanding.
No wet sanding. Just pushing and tapping. How'd it go, Tim?
Oh,
Good?
it's very hard on it.
Real hard one, right? How'd it turn out? Good?
I don't know. This is a repainted panel.
Yeah. It looks good, man. Good job. That's tough. Good job. They're tough ones. I don't think they're made to come out perfect, right? Not without wet sanding.
Looks like a common dance. When you see with the light, it's pretty deep and stretched.
And stretched, yeah. There's all that metal to move around. You don't know where to put it, right? So, good job. Looks good, guys.
We've got everybody in here working on these dents. We're getting the Dent Olympics fired up this morning. These guys are going to be going at it all day. Hope you all have had a great time here at MTE. We're going to get through the last day today. We're going to keep bringing competitors in, individuals and group tag teams throughout the day. Then we're going to have the award ceremony later this afternoon, this evening, when everybody's done. We hope you have a fabulous day, and we will talk to you soon. Come on, Mo, let's go. Go, Mo.
So you can see the dent she's working on. She's the first female in the Dent Olympics, which is pretty cool, and she's only a 2-year tech, so she's doing a good job. It's a tough dent. You can see how deep it is in the center, and again, how stretched that is on a dent. So again, you got that time that's you know, in the back of your mind, trying to get it done fast, and then, you know, working that hard dent to begin with. So we'll see how she does after she's all done.
Good job, Mo.
All right.
Good job, Mo. Good job, Mo.
That's a tough one.
There you go, girl. Ladies and gentlemen, I promised you something special.
Take the tester tape off. That he's sleeping and you can go against the yellow.
It's tag team, right?
Mexican yell. I'll let him today.
Dude, you killed it.
Trying.
Looks awesome.
Jeremy Nadu
Okay.
Tom Boroff.
All right. With Dent Wizard.
with Dent Wizard.
All right, cool.
Boston and
We're-
Michigan.
Oh, two different places, huh?
Michigan, Boston. You can tell by the accents.
Clearly.
Who's the boss?
Obviously, clearly. Clearly.
Cool.
We would have done better.
Probably both our wives.
How'd you guys do? What do you think?
We did good.
Yeah?
Feel good about it, yeah.
Cool.
We
think
could
we
both
got at
use
least-
another 10 minutes on the dents, but I think that's
I
everybody.
think the
Right,
at least
right.
7 out of 50, and the rail is probably 6 out of 50.
Yeah.
We scored
How-
at least double digits.
Yeah,
How long have you guys been doing it?
23 years.
23?
Almost 20.
20?
Yeah.
Okay. And trained by Dent Wizard?
Yep.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome, guys.
Thanks for doing it.
Well, congrats. Yeah. How'd it come out? Good?
Not too bad. I can use some 2000 grit. But I don't think these
The time doesn't allow for it, right?
No, I feel for this one.
Yeah.
This one
Is
stood
it under
out.
a brace?
No, it just stood out among the
Oh,
crowd.
just- yeah.
Yeah.
Where was yours?
It was there.
Oh, dude, it looks good.
I'd say it was there, but it's there.
It looks good. Good. Dude, it came out awesome.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it came out good. Where are you from?
Oak Harbor, Washington.
Oh, okay. What's your company?
Clint's Dent Repair.
There you go. Good job, man.